Only a day after State Prosecutor Dancun Ondimo expressed reservations over the commitment of NCIC to prosecute incitement to violence and hate speech cases, Director of Public Prosecution Keriako Tobiko has swiftly moved to replace him and his colleague Eddy Kadebe. While replacing the two officers in the incitement case against Senator Johnson Muthama, Tobiko said the case was of exceptional public importance and that the two were not up to the task. But his reaction drew protest from the defense, led by Senior Counsel John Haminwa, who said the move was an attempt by the state to delay justice for his client after it sensed defeat. Two witnesses were dropped in the process. The DPP further instructed the new prosecutor, Moses Omirera, to review all incitement to violence and hate speech cases across the country. And 4 people charged with 12 counts of making false documents, obtaining money by false pretense, and conspiracy to commit a felony have been released on a 200,000 shillings cash bail. John Sebastian Wesonga, Alex Nando Mutende, Paul Mukoyani, and Mwende Ndeti alias Elizabeth, who appeared before Chief Magistrate Francis Andai for fresh trials, are accused of receiving hundreds of thousands of shillings from unsuspecting people, claiming that the monies were security for customs transit bond. They are also said to have forged documents, namely customs transit bonds, purporting them to be genuine and valid documents issued by the Customs Service Department Commissioner, Kenya Revenue Authority, on diverse dates between November 2011 and February 2013 within Nairobi County. Meanwhile, one of the suspects earlier charged alongside the 4 walked to freedom after his name failed to appear in the charge sheet. Chief Magistrate Francis Andai acquitted Donald K. Manyala and directed that he be refunded the 200,000 shillings cash bail he had earlier deposited. Lillian Atieno for Scales of Justice.